Georgia College and State University is a public liberal arts university located in Milledgeville, Georgia. It was founded in 1889 as Georgia Normal and Industrial College for Women, and it was one of the first colleges in the United States to grant degrees exclusively to women. In 1967, the school became co-educational, and in 1996, it was renamed Georgia College and State University. One of Georgia College's objectives is to provide a diverse and inclusive learning environment that promotes cultural competence and global awareness. The university encourages students to participate in study abroad programs and offers opportunities to learn about different cultures and perspectives through various academic and extracurricular activities. Another objective is to promote research and scholarship that contribute to the advancement of knowledge and betterment of society. The university has a number of research centers and institutes that focus on areas such as environmental sustainability, health and wellness, and social justice. GCSU is also committed to serving its community throughout outreach programs that addresses the needs of local residents and promotes economic development in the region. The university partners with businesses, nonprofit organizations, and government agencies to provide internships, service learning opportunities, and other forms of community engagement. Overall, Georgia College and State University is a vibrant and dynamic institution that is dedicated to providing high-quality education and preparing students for success in a rapidly changing world. As a public liberal arts university, Georgia College and State University has a long history of successful project management initiatives, but also faced with some challenges along the way. Here's a brief overview of their project management history successes. In 2013, GCSU launched the Bobcat Advantage, a program that focused on providing students with personalized attention and support to help them succeed academically and professionally. The program includes a series of project management initiatives aimed at improving students' retention rates and enhancing the quality of academic experience. As a result of these efforts, GCSU retention rates increased significantly, and the university received a national recognition for its innovative approach to student success. GCSU has also been successful in managing several construction projects over the years, including the expansion and renovation of the university's library and the construction of the new science building. These projects completed on time and within budget and have greatly improved the campus's facilities and resources available to students and faculty. The university also has been recognized for its leadership in sustainability, environmental stewardship, both of those. GCSU has implemented several green initiatives over the years, including the institution of solar panels and implementation of energy-efficient technologies. These projects have helped reduce the university's carbon footprint and promote environmental sustainability. Some of the challenges are, like many universities, Georgia College has faced budget constraints in the recent years and has been limited its ability to overtake new projects and initiatives. This has required the university be more strategic in its project management efforts and prioritize resource accordingly. GCSU has also faced some challenges with the implementation of new technology and software systems. For example, the university's transition to a new student information system was initially plagued with technical difficulties and required significant resources to resolve. Finally, Georgia College has had to navigate the challenges associated with managing a diverse and decentralized organization with multiple departments and stakeholders involved in various projects and initiatives. This has required effective communication, collaboration, and leadership to ensure that everyone is working towards the same goals and objectives. As a large, complex organization, Georgia College has utilized a variety of project management methodologies and frameworks depending on specific needs and goals of each project. Here are some methodologies and frameworks commonly used at Georgia College. PMI is a widely recognized standard for project management that provides a structured approach to initiating, planning, executing, controlling, and closing projects. GCSU utilizes the PMI framework for many of its large-scale construction projects and technology initiatives. Agile is an interactive approach to project management that emphasizes collaboration, flexibility, and rapid response to changing requirements. GCSU has used Agile methodology for software development projects and other initiatives that require a high degree of adaptability and responsiveness. Lean Six Sigma is a data-driven approach project management that focuses on reducing waste, increasing efficiency, and improving quality. GCSU has used the Lean Six Sigma to improve processes in such areas as admissions, financial aid, and student services. Scrum is a popular agile framework that emphasizes teamwork, transparency, and continuous improvement. GCSU has used Scrum software to develop projects, as well as other initiatives that require close collaborative between teams and stakeholders. Prince2 is a project management methodology widely used in the United Kingdom and Europe, and GCSU has adopted the Prince2 for some of its international initiatives and collaborations. The techniques being used at Georgia College and State University has provided to be effective in delivering and successful projects, with each technique having its own strengths and weaknesses. Here's an overview of the effectiveness of the techniques being used by Georgia College and State University. The PMI framework is well established and is recognized. Its strength lies in its comprehensive approach, which covers all aspects of project management from start to finish, and it emphasizes on best practices and standards. However, at Georgia College, the framework can be a little bit rigid and time-consuming, with heavy focus on documentation and bureaucracy, which can slow down the project process. Now, Agile is flexible and adaptable. It also is well suited for different types of changing environments. Its strengths lies in its interactive approach, which allows for continuous improvement. However, the Agile methodology can also be challenging for some of these departments to implement because they're not used to the fast-paced and collaborative approach that is there, and it requires a significant cultural change, really. Now, Lean Six Sigma is a data-driven approach that its strength lies, and it emphasizes on data and emphasis-based decision-making, its ability to drive significant improvements in processes and operation. However, at Georgia College, you can also see with this it can be complex and very time-consuming to implement. And with these people that have used it, you can tell that it requires a significant resource and specialized expertise. With Scrum, this is collaborative and interactive, so its strength lies really where the organization is able to emphasize on teamwork and transparency and adaptability, which can result in a faster and more effective project delivery. However, it's also shown that Scrum can be challenging to implement in the organization, and because they're not used to the collaborative approach, really. And it requires a high degree of trust and communication among team members. Now with Prince 2, it's a project management also widely known, more so in Europe. Its strength lies in the clarity and structure in which it can provide clear roadmap for project delivery. However, with this methodology, it also the organization is a little bureaucratic and inflexible and may not be suitable for, and really isn't suitable for, all projects that require a more dynamic and adaptive approach. There are several suggestions that Georgia College and State University could consider to improve their project management practices and enhance their overall effectiveness. While GCSU does have project management office and consolidation, all project management functions and resources in centralized office can help streamline the process and improve communication between the project teams. This can also provide a more standardized approach to management and enable better tracking and reporting project progress. Now, GCSU uses a variety of project management methods depending on the specific project. Implementing consistent methodologies across the project can help ensure that all teams are using the same tools, processes, and practices. This can help and improve collaboration, communication, and reduce confusion and errors and improve all the important outcomes. GCSU could also benefit from more strategic approach to project prioritization and resource allocation. By prioritizing project bases based on their alignment with the university's strategic goals and allowing resources accordingly, GCSU can ensure that its limited resources are being used in the most effective way possible. Project management is something that providing training and development opportunities for project management and team members could also help improve their skills and knowledge and ultimately lead to better outcomes. This can introduce training on a specific project management methodologies and also is a broader professional development opportunity. Effective stakeholder engagement and communication is critical to the success of any project. Georgia College could benefit from more proactive and deliberative approach to stakeholder engagement, including regular communication and feedback loops to ensure the stakeholders are informed and engaged throughout the project lifecycle. Selecting the right methodology for framework for each project based on its specific needs and requirements is important. GCSU's ability to have adaptability and flexibility in selecting the appropriate project management methodologies for each project is very commendable. This allows for a customized approach that considers the unique needs of the requirements of each project. Additionally, the university emphasis on collaboration and communication within project teams and within stakeholders is a strength that contributes to successful project outcomes. Overall, the techniques being used at Georgia College are effective in delivering successful projects, with each technique having its own strengths and weaknesses. The University Project Office provides guidance and support to project managers and teams, ensuring that appropriate technique is selected for each project based on its specific needs and requirements.